to see how we can develop different dishes from steamed rice. The new ingredients we have today, it's raisins. Raisins, it's a dried grapes. So it's a dried grapes. So we will use raisins as well. So we have chopped onion. We have brunoise of French beans. It's cut into brunoise. Then here we have the red onion. And here we have also a paysan of green pepper and chopped onion. Another new item we have here, it's turmeric. So turmeric powder, it's a one of condiments we use in the kitchen. So the rest, it's olive oil, salt, white pepper, and we are going to use all of them. Now we are going to start with a rice called turmeric rice. So turmeric rice, it's a very simple preparation cooking method. We just take our olive oil, be careful, the pan is too hot, so I have to remove it from the fire when it's too hot. So after pouring olive oil, so then I add my chopped onion. Then after adding my chopped onion, I add my turmeric powder. Then after, I add my rice. Then I just put a little bit of salt, and white pepper for seasoning. You see, very simple. My turmeric rice is done. So it's very nice. So then I have to put it in bain-marie. It's a kitchen machine that we use to keep our food hot. So it has hot water, and all the temperature has to be from 65 degrees Celsius. So it helps us to keep our food hot and safe as well. Now our turmeric rice is ready. We are going to make vegetable rice. Vegetable rice, it's a rice combined with the vegetables. So for vegetable rice, here we have a brunoise of branched zucchini, courgette, and also we have brunoise of branched carrot, and here we have brunoise of branched French beans, and we have a chopped onion for vegetable rice. Once our saucepan is ready, then we pour olive oil, After pouring olive oil, then I add chopped onion, after adding chopped onion, I add French beans, then also courgette, and carrots. So I have to saute them nicely. So once my vegetables are sauteed well, so then I have to add steamed rice. Combine your rice with the vegetables until it's well mixed. Then I season it with salt and white pepper. See, we just going to serve it. So make sure the combination of vegetables and rice are proportional. So you can see if the guest has read on the menu vegetable rice. Now he can see both vegetables and rice. You see? So it's not like putting vegetables as if you are making decoration or garnish, you know? So the combination has to be equal. You can see the white of rice, you can see greenish, red, yellow for vegetables. Okay? So we have to keep our vegetable rice for the hot station, bain-marie. Now we are going to continue with rice called Oriental rice. So Oriental rice, it's also a simple preparation of combining steamed rice and condiments. So the condiments for Oriental rice, here we have paysan of tomato, we have Macedon paysan of tomato, we have also Macedon of pineapple, and we have dried grapes, raisins, and we also have paysan of green pepper, and we also have paysan of red onion. The same procedure. We have to heat our saucepan. Then when saucepan is ready, we are going to combine our condiment into saucepan. Then later we add the rice. Now our saucepan is ready. I pour olive oil inside. So remember, for making preparation of different rice, you can use different cooking fats. So you can use either butter, you can use the olive oil, you can use the sunflower oil, like other types of sunflower we normally use. Then, after pouring our olive oil, then we add onion, after adding onion, we add green pepper, so onion and green pepper, we just give it a little time to develop flavor. Then the rest of ingredients has to be fresh when you taste Oriental rice. Then we add our pineapple. After adding our pineapple, we add resin. Then from resins, tomato. Then after saute our condiments, we add steamed rice. So you combine with them nicely. Then season with salt and white pepper. See, my Oriental rice is ready for service. Remember, from steamed rice you can develop variety of rice as you can, depending on a variability of raw material you have, of ingredient, or maybe a variability of ingredient you have. So our rice can be served as an individual portion, maybe on the plate, or it can be served as self-service, like this. So Thank you for watching preparation of derivation of rice, and let's catch up for the next lesson. Thank you.